Is the Gemini app available in the UK? Intro. Have you ever heard of Gemini? It's this incredible AI language model that's been making waves in the tech world. But here's the burning question: is it available in the UK? Let's dive in and find out together. Part 1. The Gemini Buzz. So, what exactly is Gemini? It's essentially a supercharged AI that can do everything from writing essays to generating code. It's like having a personal assistant, tutor, and creative partner all rolled into one. And the buzz surrounding Gemini is real. People are talking about its incredible capabilities and how it's changing the way we work and learn. Part 2. The UK question. But here's the thing: while Gemini is making headlines globally, there's still a lot of uncertainty about its availability in the UK. Some people are saying it's already here, while others are claiming it's still in development. So, what's the truth? Part 3. Investigating the claims. To get to the bottom of this, let's do some investigating. We'll start by checking Gemini's official website and looking for any information about UK availability. We'll also search online forums and social media groups to see what other people are saying. Part 4. The official word. After digging around, we've found some information straight from the source. Gemini's official website states that they are currently focusing on expanding their availability to different regions. While they haven't explicitly mentioned the UK, it's clear that they're working on making Gemini accessible to a wider audience. Part 5. The waiting game. So, what does this mean for UK users? Well, it looks like we'll have to wait a little longer before we can try out Gemini for ourselves. But the good news is that the team behind Gemini seems committed to bringing their AI to more people around the world. Part 6. Alternative options. While we wait for Gemini to arrive in the UK, there are a few other AI language models that you might want to check out. These alternatives may not have the same level of hype as Gemini, but they can still be useful tools for various tasks. Part 7. Conclusion. So, to answer the original question, is the Gemini app available in the UK? Not yet, but it seems like it's only a matter of time. In the meantime, we can keep our fingers crossed and explore some of the other AI options available. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.